In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a WhatsApp channel. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to create your own WhatsApp channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. Creating a WhatsApp channel allows you to share updates and connect directly with your followers through WhatsApp. Here's how you can do it. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone, ensuring that it's updated to the latest version. Navigate to the Updates tab. Please note that WhatsApp introduces new features gradually, so the option to create a channel might not be available to everyone immediately. If you don't see it, please wait for the update to become available to you. In the Updates tab, tap the plus sign. Select Create Channel. Tap Continue. Now, you can customize your channel. Add a channel icon by selecting a photo from your device and choose a channel name. It's important to know that you can change your channel name at any time in the future. Additionally, add a channel description, which is a few words to help your followers understand what your channel is about. Finally, tap Create Channel. And that's it. You've successfully created your WhatsApp channel. Now you can start sharing updates and connecting with your followers directly. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found this video useful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative videos, please visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.